my dear students. I hope that you all are at home and are safe. As you know, India is fighting against COVID-19 and government is doing fantastic job in preventing spread of coronavirus. You are very well updated with the current status of our country in this regard. Our institute has also taken proactively many measures to keep whole NITRR family safe. Even before declaration of the national-wide lockdown, we have taken many steps. We have extended mid-semester break and students who were in the institute hostels have been asked to vacate the hostel on 19th of March itself, and they have been asked to go home and remain safe with their parents. Faculty members have been given compulsorily vacation, and after declaration of the lockdown, we all are working from home. I am happy to share that no case of corona is reported in the institute campus till date. Considering the situation of spread of coronavirus in the country, it was decided to prepone summer vacation of students. All students except final year students have been given summer vacation till 30th of May 2020. In the present scenario, I can understand that you all might be worried about your studies, your career, your placement, and so on and so forth. The worry is quite natural. All faculty members have already been advised to share with you lecture notes, tutorials, etc. I am sure that you are not out of touch of your studies and you will be in close contact with your teachers and your fellow colleagues. Now let me put up my views on your all these concerns one by one. Most important is of the final year undergraduate students. Our 589 students have already been placed in various companies, and the number of companies where the placement offers have been given are 96. As of now, no company has revoked any placement. Rather, couple of companies like Adani, Infosys, etc. have informed us about extension of date of joining. Looking to the expected future scenario, if at all we get any information regarding revoking of placement, we will definitely write them to reconsider, highlighting couple of arguments in support of our students. As far as your studies and exam of final year students are concerned, considering the present situation, it seems that we may not allow students to join the institute even in first week of May for attending the classes. Therefore, their left out theory classes will be arranged live on any suitable platform. You should also wind up your project work in consultation with your supervisors. Your assessment of teacher's assessment will be done by respective subject teacher by giving you online assignments, quizzes, etc. We are also exploring possibility of arranging online examination so that you can finish your exam sitting at your home. The idea is that you can get your final year result not later than 20th June in any case. As far as the case of MTech Applied Geology is concerned, it is similar to final year BTech, so it can be handled in a similar manner. BArch final year Viva can be conducted after 15th of May, if possible physically or otherwise on online mode. Now let me take the case of students of other semesters who are given vacation till 30th of May. Those who are to undergo industrial training, for them we already circulated a notice to head of departments. You might be aware of that. Here, students are permitted to carry on their industrial training online as working from home if industry permits, and if not feasible, then we have opened few more options to them. Students can take courses available on internshala.com or spokentutorial.org or any other online course with the prior approval of the head of department. Academic session for them will begin from 1st of June and revised academic calendar for them will be declared soon. There will be classes for couple of days, followed by examination, and thereafter immediately new odd semester classes will be started. There will not be any semester break. To compensate the loss of time due to COVID-19, we may have to curtail mid-semester break during odd semester, that is autumn semester 2020. But don't worry, your studies and then your placement etc. are in our focus, and we will be back in track by the end of December 2020. Now let me take cases of MTech. They might be doing their project work. They should quickly complete and submit the thesis soft copy. Last date of submission will be declared after assessment of the COVID scenario, but it will not be prior to 30th of May 2020. Same is true for MCA final year students. If I talk about the case of PhD students, they should continue working from home till further notice. They should maintain contact with supervisor, submit research papers for publications, etc. But yes, those who are having due dates as far as their ordinances, etc., for example, passing of the coursework, comprehensive examination, thesis submission, etc., for that, if they are to meet certain deadline, they can submit the application. Their cases will be sympathetically considered. If you are facing any such difficulty to meet the deadlines as per the ordinance, you should write application duly recommended by your supervisor and chairman DRC for approval. You all are advised to visit institute website regularly to look for any update in this regard. In case of, if you have any specific issue or doubt, or if you have any suggestions, you can very well write to your head of department or to the Dean Academic or Dean Student Welfare through email. The purpose of addressing you all today is to make you sure that we all understand your concerns and we are more worried than you. Present situation is definitely tough, but don't worry, Institute is always there to support you. If you feel any mental health or psychological issue, you may get in touch with our Institute counselor, Dr. Hina Chawda, through telephone, email, WhatsApp, etc. Her contact details are available on the Institute website. At the end, I wish you all good health, be at home, and be safe. Good luck.